You have seen insurance industry in and out. कार इंश्योरेंस वेरी इजी, बहुत आराम से समझ में आता है. Even term insurance is also like it can be understood by a common man. But when it comes to health insurance, it's not user friendly. It's very complicated, right? And we keep on saying it's a very complex product. Why is it so? इतना complex क्यों बनाया है?
हाँ, तो look at it from this point of view, right? A car insurance, typically what does it cover? It covers the car's damage, and it secondly covers basically any third party liability, right? जहाँ पे if you take the car out and basically you damage a person or a property, then it will pay for it. It's a very simple, objective kind of a policy, right? Compared to health insurance, I'll explain why.
Okay.
Term insurance is also very simple. Term insurance तो और भी simple है car insurance से, right? Reason is that term insurance says that if a person dies, I will pay X amount, right? And that is a fixed amount, right? Now compare this to a health insurance. A health insurance says that for your entire lifetime, right, till you live, whatever disease you have, I will cover you for that, right? And basically whatever cost it comes to the liability of the policy, I will cover you for that. And as you grow older, also I'll keep covering you for that. In case of car insurance, what happens? As the car grows older, the value of the car goes down, right? First 5 years में चलो आपने zero depreciation भी लगा के आपने claim करके सारा you can claim things, but after the 6th year, 7th year, whatever time after which zero depreciation stops, your car's value goes down and you get a cut for the depreciation amount. Term insurance में insurer does not worry because the fixed amount है.
Yeah.
And the time it takes, let's say if someone lives for 20 years and then the insurer has to pay that 1 crore sum insured, which was agreed on day 0 but now is payable on year 20, उसका जो depreciated value है 1 crore का वो इतना कम है that insurer has to pay the same money.
Got it.
Right? In case of health insurance, there is healthcare inflation that applies where health care rates are increasing, hospitals are increasing rates. COVID के बाद तो hospitals सारे insane level पे rates बढ़ा रहे हैं.
100%.
And the customers aging is happening because of which their health is deteriorating. So you are dealing with a human body, right? Human body is the most complicated machine that exists, and you are covering that thing. So this basically entire, if you look at this from a insurer's point of view for some time, right? पसंद नहीं आएगा बहुत लोगों को कि insurer point of view, but if you are buying something from someone, you have to understand that person's perspective to understand why the world of that person is different from your world and how they are looking at things, right? So look at it from their world. They are saying that I have to cover a human body for the lifetime of that person. I cannot even cancel the policy if the person has cancer or anything, because it's a right of a customer that an insurer cannot cancel a policy at a given point in time because cancer है, या मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल सकता कि 80 के बाद मैं cover नहीं करूँगा. I have to cover that person. So that is one thing that an insurer has to manage. Second, that insurer has to manage, has to keep the policy affordable to a certain extent for people to come into the policy. That is also something that an insurer needs to do. Third is the environment involved, where a customer's behavior changes when a policy is bought, right? That needs to be taken care of. Fourth is frauds that happen, right? India is a country जहाँ पे creative लोगों की कमी नहीं है to the kind of frauds that happen. If we can do a separate episode on that, where we can only talk about the interesting types of frauds that get exist. There are syndicates that get created where the doctor, hospital, a police station nearby, the lawyer and the TPA of the insurance company all put together, come together with the patient and make claims, right? So let's not get into that. Insurer also is exposed to that. Then insurer is also exposed to, like I said, hospital का खर्चा, hospital के जितने भी चोचले हैं. Where a hospital is charging whatever they want to charge. Hospital is basically taking calls. The doctor is taking calls कि नहीं, this person needs to be admitted for 4 days, 3 days, 2 days. I will charge 45,000 rupees for a cataract operation. Someone else is saying I will charge 1.5 lakh rupees for a cataract operation. Someone else is saying 2.5 lakh rupees for a cataract operation. No regulation exists in terms of what can be charged by a hospital to a patient. And insurer is also a kind of a recipient of that imperfection that exists in the healthcare space where there is no regulation in billing. ये सारा अगर आप एक चार्ट पे डालोगे जहाँ पे इंश्योरर बीच में है और एक साइड पे हॉस्पिटल का बिहेवियर अलग है, फ्रॉड्स हो रहे हैं, एक साइड पे प्रीमियम भी सस्ता रखना है, फीचर्स भी अच्छे देने हैं, राइट? ऑल दिस पुट टुगेदर, ईदर एन इंश्योरर विल हैव टू क्रिएट a policy which has tight terms and conditions to ensure that they are able to remain viable for a long period of time while you age and they are able to pay claims for you in the long run. Or they will have to create a very cheap policy with no terms and conditions, but not paying claims in the future, right?
Got it.
तो ऐसा
Got
है
it.
because this is an economic model and every insurer is running it a company which has to make profits for their shareholders,
Mm-hmm.
right? Terms and conditions will be there, right?
Got
The reason why the terms and conditions are complex is one is because we said human body.
Mm-hmm.
Second is the environment, which includes hospitals which are not regulated for
Yeah.
billing,
Mm.
and frauds.
Understood.
So more or
Understood.
less, this is the kind of a reason why health insurance is so complex.
So one thing which is coming to mind, and very, very, very logical point, ki the most complex thing in the universe, we can say, the human body, and you are insuring that, right?
And the most complicated product also a customer buys in their lifetime is health insurance. Honestly,
yeah.
I don't see a decision that you take
Mm-hmm.
in your lifetime to buy something. Even real estate is not so complicated because it's a tangible product.
Yeah.
Even
Totally.
buying a car is not so complicated. Even maybe so many other things that you
Anything,
buy, they are tangible. You can take it in your hand. You can use them immediately. Most of the products.
Yeah.
This is a product which is not tangible.
Yeah.
This is a product which basically has you don't know whether you will be able to use it or not. It has terms and conditions which you are not able to understand. So
Yeah.
it is, from a customer's point of view, it is a hard decision to take.
Let me put it in a different way. For example, there is a regulatory body for an insurance company, for an
Correct.
insurer, right?
Correct.
But they are insuring someone who will get let's say मतलब वो उस चीज़ को इंश्योर कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे जाके अगर वो अपना इलाज कराएंगे वो खुद रेगुलेटेड नहीं है.
Yeah. So what you're saying is basically that the costs that basically are getting covered under the scope of the insurance, the costs, how they are going to be charged
Yeah.
by the company which is going to charge for it,
Yes.
that is not regulated.
Yes.
The reason for that is also very complicated, and this needs a healthcare expert to answer this question. But every case in healthcare, like this is what hospitals say, right?
Okay,
And
okay.
there is in fact a case going on where the Supreme Court, where
Okay.
basically Supreme Court में case हो रहा है कि hospital rate should be regulated, and hospitals are saying that this is not possible because the quality of the doctor, the quality of the treatment, the quality of the equipment, the state which in the patient is, and the location in which the hospital is, the real estate rates, the costs of labor in that area is all very, very different. So if you do this, then it will become very complicated for us to run it as a business, right?
Okay,
Meaning for
okay.
the hospitals. So unka side ka story I am not so good at understanding it, but I know for a fact that it's going to be very complicated for healthcare also to get basically regulated very easily. Right? It's not very easy.
But if it happens, then might be chances that this product will become less complex.
So the answer to this question, honestly, to me, meaning maybe we are going the industry side of the story, so let's keep that part
okay,
short.
sure.
But I'll just answer this question in a different way, that insurers, if they come together and they become one body, and that is what is happening with, there is a general insurance council that exists, and they together create a common hospital list and negotiate rates across all hospitals together,
Got it.
then there could be a chance of having basically lesser rates,
Understood.
right, for insurance versus not insurance. Then it will become reverse, that if you have insurance, a hospital treatment could happen at 2 lakhs, which without insurance could cost 3 lakhs.
Yeah.
Right, because bulk rate will apply then, कि मैं सारे इंश्योर मिलके बोल रहा है कि भाई मैं तुम्हारे पास पेशेंट तभी भेजूंगा
Yeah.
when you give me a bulk rate for this. And cashless everywhere करके something had come in. अभी it is in a very early stage,
Okay.
where all insurers have come together and said that we will create a common hospital list, and then we will negotiate together through GIC, which is the General Insurance Council. But it is at a very premature stage. It also requires a lot of work. It's a very, very hard, strenuous amount of hard work that is required to be able to achieve that, to do so many agreements for all hospitals, for all insurance companies.
100%.
उसको टाइम लगेगा, बट अगर वो ही एक रे ऑफ लाइट है जहाँ पे बेसिकली इट विल लीड टू मीनिंग लेसर रेट्स for hospitals, for the insurance company, that will also in turn help keep the premiums in check.
Understood. And what about now? Like, since it will take time for these things to happen, right?
हाँ.
But for a customer out there, for a common man, for a layman, अब उसको समझना है.
Correct.
How can he or she do
Yeah,
it?
so it's like taxation. I always say health insurance is not like mutual funds. Health insurance is not like stocks also. जो आप 10 दिन पढ़ लो, थोड़ा यूट्यूब वीडियो देख लो और समझ में आ जाएगा. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इज ऑनेस्टली लाइक टैक्सेशन. आप टैक्सेशन जितना ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको कि सारी चीज़ें पता चले कि क्या पेएबल है, व्हाट इज नॉट पेएबल. एंड हेंस लाइक इन टैक्सेशन, आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट माई सेल्फ, बट आई डोंट फाइल माई रिटर्न्स. I give it to a chartered accountant to file with. My company has GST. I don't file the GST returns. I give it to a GST expert to do the GST filing because GST rules are complicated and they change. Similarly, health insurance is complicated and they change. So you need someone who's on the top of it all the time to take care of it. And hence the need of having an expert. Someone who has at least 5 to 7 years of experience. Someone who has a track record of not only helping customers in explaining them the policy well, जिसको product की grip है, उसको सारा चीज़ पता है, but on the other side also having seen a lot of claims getting paid and even fighting with the insurer for getting claims paid. वो जो पूरा जर्नी जिसने देखा हुआ है, ये सेम चीज़ है, राइट? व्हेन यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम अ सीए पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आई विल गो टू अ सीए हु हैज़ डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब एट filing income tax returns. At the same time, when things go wrong after 10 years also and an income tax inquiry comes, I'm just drawing a parallel to a claim, that person is good enough to basically ensure that they give a right answer and solve my inquiry. Right? अगर inquiry है, मुझे नहीं करना पड़ाई, तभी inquiry आई कि अरे अभी इसको क्या आंसर करो, I'm opening tax books and reading or going online and trying to do it. Cannot do it. Same as health insurance. You draw a parallel. Buying a policy, how you bought the policy, like, which is how you're filing income tax, ऐसे हो गया. And third is how you're going to make a claim, which is very similar to tax inquiries that come from the income tax department. ये सारा जो पूरा cycle है, ये long है, बहुत long है, ये और बहुत complex है. And that's why from both points of view, because it's complex, because it's long term, you need an expert on your side. That could be someone in your area, your location, or someone probably on our website like Beshak does it, right?
Got it.